What is the location of Mexico? North America. Currency of Mexico is peso. Capital of the Mexico is Mexico City. Morocco is the Muslim country whose majority speak Arabic and Berber. What is the percentage of Muslim population in Morocco? 98%. Capital of Morocco is Rabat. Currency of Morocco is dirham. Kyat is the currency. Name the capital of Myanmar. Naypyidaw. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Currency of Nepal, rupee. Nouakchott is the capital. Currency of Mauritania, Ugiya. Ulaanbaatar is the capital. Which is the currency of Mongolia? Togrog. When Burma was separated from India, 1937. Dutch is the official language of Netherlands. Name the capital. Amsterdam. Currency of Netherlands, euro. Southeast Pacific Ocean is the location of New Zealand. Name the capital of New Zealand. Wellington. Name the capital of Nicaragua. Managua. What is Niamey in Niger? Capital of Niger. Currency of Niger, CFA franc, France. Currency of Nigeria is Naira. Which is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. Norway's capital is Norway's capital is Oslo. What is the name of Norway currency? Kron. Philippines capital is Manila. Which is the currency? Peso. Poland is located on the Baltic Sea in East Central Europe. Name the currency of Poland. Zloty. Capital of Poland, Warsaw. Qatar that is located in the Middle East on west coast of Persian Gulf. Name the currency of Qatar. Riyal. Capital of Qatar, Doha. State stretch from the East Europe across North Asia to the Pacific Ocean. Russia. Name the capital of Russia. Moscow. Moscow is the capital. Ruble is the currency. What is their religion? Russian Orthodox. Name the country that occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. Saudi Arabia. Riyal is its currency. What is the name of capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Singapore dollar is the currency. Which is the capital of Singapore? Singapore. Bratislava is the capital. Mention the currency of Slovakia. Euro. Which state occupies the eastern horn of Africa? Somalia. Shilling is the currency. Name the capital of Somalia. Mogadishu. Administrative capital of South Africa is the Pretoria and legislative capital is Cape Town. Which one of the following is the judicial capital of South Africa? Bloemfontein. Name the currency of South Africa. Rand. Madrid is the capital of Spain. What is its currency? Euro. Sri Lanka is located in Indian Ocean. Its capital is Colombo. Name the currency of Sri Lanka. Rupiah. Which is the largest country in Africa? Sudan. 70% of population is Muslim. Which is the capital and largest city of Sudan? Khartoum.